In this video, we'll learn the use of Lofted surface tool. Let's say you want to create a vase with different variable shapes at the beginning and at the bottom, and in between the profile is changing somewhat. So let's start with selecting one of the planes, and let's say the bottom of this vase is gonna be a rectangle. Okay, then let's create another plane on top of it. Let's do use it this way. Let's say this is 100 millimeters on the top, and let's say in between it is going to be a circle. Again, let's create another surface from that point. And again, on this surface we create, let's say, the same thing, convert entities to draw a rectangle. Once done, we exit all the sketches. So let's hide the planes, and we have these three profiles. Okay, now let's use the lofted surface. Let's select this profile, and this profile. As we have selected it, you can see it has created a lofted surface using those profiles, where in the top and bottom is rectangles and in between it is circular. Quite easy. So let's go, say we had something else in mind and we had a separate profile where of how the in between surface will change. So let's create that path. uh, let's say instead of this part where it was going all curvature inside, we want to make it something that is curving outside, and on the bottom part, let's say it is curving something similar to this. Okay, so instead of what we had originally, which was going from here in a curvature, in going inside and then going again outward at the end, we will have everything on the outside. Okay, once we have created this guided path, let's go to the lofted surface. For the profiles, let's select the profiles. As you can see, this is how the profile looks like, and if you select the guided curve, everything has changed. Right, now let's say if you wanted to create something where the design was the same on both sides. So let's say this curve bezier that you see on the right side will also be on the left side. What you needed to do is create a similar guided path on the other side and then select both of them here, and that would have created the same profile. And once you're done, click OK, and that's what you have, your profiled lofted surface.